to 11:30 a.m. It's all about the day-to-day activities in the Nigerian political space. Views of political actors from various political parties on political process. Views of labor leaders, and most importantly, your views. Views of the common Nigerian. Tune in to Ebonare 103.
Okay, guys, thank you. Like, subscribe, and share. Right, hit the subscribe button right here. Remember, there's this book. Let me get it for you. Yeah, check it out. Hip Hop and Igbo Culture by yours faithfully, Martin Ifeanyi Chukwueze. It's on Amazon.com. Go check it out right now. Right, rock. Stick around for political views. Okay, tell me now. Yes, you are tuned to Ebon at the 103.5 FM. We would like to apologize for that little break in transmission. It was, due to some unforeseen circumstances, and then we are working on it and getting it better, to serve you better at the end of the day. But that said, the Federal Competition Consumer Protection Commission asks Nigerians to report sharp practices in the case of price increment or price increase. Good afternoon and welcome to Political Views on Ebona at the 103.5 FM. I am Martin Ifeanyi Chukwueze. Now, as the naira is doing better against the dollar, it is expected that price of commodities in the market should drop. But you know that we are in Nigeria. Anything that goes up never comes down in Nigeria. So FCCPC needs Nigerians to report any sharp practice in the market. It is still a free market, though maybe from a little while, it might become, maybe it's time the federal government will begin to pay attention to middlemen at the end of the day. But because of this, NCC also asks the telecommunication companies to shift, from per minute to per seconds billings on calls. A lot is happening. Meanwhile, in Lagos, the civil society organization known as Bring Back Our Girls movement 9 years later asks federal government to expedite release of about 90 Chibok school girls. The parents are still seeking for the release of the schoolgirls. At the same time, they established that Nigeria needs missing person register. A lot is happening, and we will delve into it right now. Let me bring you up to speed on the happenings on our political space right now. The headlines. On the headlines, Kuka advises Nigerians to use power, authority to impact humanity. Makinde assents to establishment of rule of law enforcement authority. The 14 National Conference report will be unconstitutional. ACF Shipton. Tinubu renewed hope agenda is a reality, says Wike. Kano's continued detention. IPOB leaders brother writes open letter. Africa has ingredients to be successful. United Nations envoy for Africa. Still on the headlines on making rounds of political space this afternoon, Sanwo-Olu says praying constantly for Nigeria leaders key to better nation. MFLA, Abo stakeholders forum decries on ending investigation. Shop eat Nigerian products to drop dollar below 1,000. Reno Omokri. War. Nigerian government appeals to Iran, Israel to exercise restraint. Labour. Manufacturers kick as a federal government raises electricity tariff by 240. 10 years on, Christian Association of Nigeria seeks a release of the remaining Chibok girls. Now, you can become part of the conversation by sending your reactions via SMS or WhatsApp messages on 08096661035. Edition of Political Views on Ebonade 103.5 FM this afternoon is Kuka advises Nigerians to use power, authority to impact humanity. Bishop Matthew Kuka, Archbishop of the Catholic Justice through the strategies of empirical research, legislative advocacy, and publications. Kuka, who spoke on Power of One, Dreams and Nightmares, said that it was important to strive to change negative narratives, live impactful lives, and leave lasting positive legacies. I begin this lecture by telling you about people like Pope John Paul, Malala, Martin Luther King, and a host of others who have used powers positively. Authority. Governor Sheyi Makinde of Oyo State has signed into law the executive bill for establishment of state rule of law enforcement authority. Makinde, while signing the bill into law on Friday in Ibadan, said that the establishment of such authority would allow for quick dispensation of justice to lawbreakers in the state. According to the governor, the executive bill was presented to the House of Assembly to bridge the gap in enforcement of extant laws on traffic management, environmental sanitation, and other issues. He noted that law enforcement had faced serious challenges due to lack of adequate cooperation between state and federal relevant law enforcement agencies. Justifying the establishment of the agency further, Makinde said, "We have been here for over 4 years and we have Justifying the establishment of the agency further, Makinde said, "We have been here for over 4 years and we have seen that we do have adequate laws to deal with in the aspect of protecting the environment, traffic laws, and road transportation management authority. We also signed the anti-open grazing law, but some of these we have not been able to enforce, maybe because we have not had full cooperation from the law enforcement agencies." Bandits in Zamfara. Tinubu tells Governor Lawal. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu has reiterated his administration's commitment to ending banditry in Zamfara state. The president told Governor Dauda Lawal in Lagos that he had ordered the deployment of additional troops to Zamfara to further check the menace of banditry in that area. Okay, people, this is where we'll call it a day. All right, we'll go off. And everyone at the 103.5 FM. Have a great day. Check out this book. Oh. Remember to check out the book. Come on, Amazon. Thank you.